Welcome to today's unboxing and giveaway. We're going to be doing the Dashi Lace Unit 10 in the Colour T230. This is what the packaging looks like, and we're going to go ahead and open it. The Lace Unit 10 has a number of features like ear-to-ear soft lace, the heat-resistant fiber, a deep center part, and baby hairs. All Dashi lace wigs have these features. The color that we have today is like a deep auburn with dark brown roots. This is what it looks like once you take it out of the packaging. And we're also going to do a try on. The wig cap has a number of features such as the combs at the front and the back, as well as elastic to tighten it. Okay, time for the try on. This is what the wig looks like from the front and the back. And you can see the baby hairs on the side here. Now, as always, today's sample is now live on the website and you can redeem it using the code SAMPLEOFTHEDAY. If you don't already, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to keep up to date with every single drop this month. It is going to be huge. I'll see you guys tomorrow.